So now let's explore the other two options. One is the return purchases. In order to keep a track of all the returns, like whatever you have brought from the supplier, if those needed to be returned back to the supplier due to damages, we can click on this Create New option, select the supplier and return it back, like the same way how we have done for the return item. Same way we can select and return the item back. We also provide one more option called a stock transfer option. So when it comes to stock transfer, if you need to transfer the items from one particular shop to another shop, we can click on Create New option, provide the source, provide the destination. Then you can select which item you need to. Once these things are selected, click on Transfer Now and initiate the transfer. Once a transfer is being initiated, this transfer needed to be approved by the Consent Store department teams. For example, if you click on this three dots and click on Accept, then it will go from this particular list to completed or rejected states. So this is how we can do a stock transfer. See you on the next session.